Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in competitive games like Valorant. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect your controller for any dirt or debris around the analog sticks. Clean the area gently with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any obstructions that may be causing drift. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Connect your controller to your PC and access the settings menu. Look for the calibration option and follow the prompts to recalibrate your analog sticks, ensuring they are properly aligned. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or the console settings for any available updates and install them to improve performance. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Open Valorant and navigate to the settings menu. Adjust the sensitivity settings for your controller, as lowering the sensitivity can help mitigate the effects of drift during gameplay. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the drift persists, try using a different controller to determine if the issue is with the original controller itself. If the new controller works without drift, consider repairing or replacing the original one. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Valorant. If the problem continues, consider seeking professional repair services or contacting customer support for further assistance.